What's up, guys? We're back with another Fortnite video. So the new tactical shotgun is because now we're gonna see what does the more damage with it. Okay, let me put the little sound effects on chat item. Look, if you don't know what the tactical shotgun sounds like, here's what it sounds like. Here, let me do the head damage for you. Okay? They want to hear what it sounds like. That's what it sounds like. Yes, and that's what the tactical shotgun looks like. And oh wait, did you see the Pleasure Planet, the little robot? It looks like the what? It kind of looks like the that little the team leader. It has like the team leader on it. It has a team leader on it. The Cuddle team leader. So yeah, there's an event coming soon, and it's in like 2 more days. So Tuesday's Thursday, and then 1 is Friday. So come on, Friday. Let's get it. Okay, wait. Try different one. Try different. Say quit. So I'm gonna use the new tactical shotgun. He's gonna use a different weapon. Wow. And he used So the flip-lock pistol does more damage than the tactical shotgun. Hey, use a different weapon. You already used the pistol. Use a different weapon. Hey, wait, time out. That wasn't fair. Okay, that new SMG probably did damage. Wait, no, hey. Do you want me to take my little headphones out so they can hear you? So you can talk? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, talk. Talk in 3, 2, 1. No, wait. Like when I take my headsets out, talk, okay? 3, 2, 1, talk. They didn't hear you. Say it louder.
Hi guys, we're gonna be doing the to see which one is better, the tactical shotgun or all the other weapons. To see who's better.
Do you want to say anything else? Hey, do you want to say anything else? Okay, fine now. Wait. Wait, you already used a deagle. A deagle does not work. Wait, time out. I'm not ready. No, let me try. Okay, go. Okay, a scar does more damage. we're gonna try the machine gun. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. And you know, it's on my 200. Yeah. I bought like V-Bucks on PlayStation Store. Use a suppress machine gun. Okay, what other weapon you're gonna use? Wait, before we fight, let me see, what is it? What kind of weapon is that you have in your hands? Okay, okay. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, begin. Ooh! The tactical shotgun does more damage than a new SMG. Dang. Try the semi-auto sniper. Try the semi-auto sniper. Yeah, try the semi-auto sniper. That's right there. No, try this. Try the semi-auto sniper. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Okay, I'll be back. Do not kill me, please. Okay. Seriously? I said don't do it. What's wrong with you? What weapon are you going to use now? What weapon are you going to use? Okay, try that. What? A pistol. The great pistol doesn't do damage. Try again. Try it with the pistol again. Use the pistol again. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video and make another one, okay? Peace.